In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Shein business successfully. If you've been thinking about diving into the world of e-commerce, Shein could be a fantastic platform to get started with your own business. Whether you're looking to set up a side hustle or grow a full-fledged enterprise, following this step-by-step guide will help you embark on your Shein selling journey. First, if you want to kick off your Shein business, you will need a reliable guide. By familiarizing yourself with the Shein marketplace, you'll be well prepared to sell effectively. They provide guidance and insights into what makes a successful Shein store. This can be your go-to resource for understanding trends, customer preferences, and essential selling tips. Next, head over to Google and search for Sell on Shein Marketplace. This simple search will lead you to a wealth of resources where you can find all the necessary information about selling on Shein, including its policies, best practices, and insights from other sellers. It's crucial to gather as much knowledge as possible at this stage, as it will help you create a solid foundation for your business. You may also find forums and community groups that discuss their experiences and offer advice, which can be incredibly beneficial as you move forward. Once you've done your initial research, it's time to take the next step, joining the Shein marketplace. Navigate to the seller's homepage by searching for it or using the links found through your Google search earlier. Once you're there, look for the Join Marketplace button on their homepage. This action will take you to the registration page where you can begin the process of becoming a Shein seller. By joining the marketplace, you're opening up a window of opportunities to reach a vast audience that Shein caters to globally. Now, it's time to officially sign up to sell on Shein and start your business. On the registration page, you'll be asked to provide some essential details, such as your business name, contact information, and any other relevant credentials. Make sure to fill out these details accurately, as they will be used to verify your identity and set up your seller account. Once you've completed the registration, you'll gain access to Shein's seller dashboard. Here, you can get a comprehensive overview of your store's performance, manage inventory, and optimize listings. By leveraging the tools available in the dashboard, you can ensure your store runs smoothly and effectively. That's all for today's guide on how to start your Shein business. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful seller on this popular platform. Thanks for watching.